up a little bit.
All right. Are you gonna tap it? Get ball peen hammer.
Use this. Let's go easy with it. Use the green side.
We need to put it on actual wood or the floor. Stuff over here. It's not even that hard. We're supposed to press it in. Give me that.
C-clamp.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. I should have chilled them in the freezer. That's what I should have did. I wasn't even thinking about it. Hopefully they go in without fucking them up. Because you're good for fucking shit up.
Yep.
Especially when it's not yours.
What I do?
That'll be for sale on Craigslist.
What?
Fresh fuck up. The going?
Yes, go.
Sweet.
Snap.
Backyard.
It's walking.
Swing arm bearing. Install. Did you put that in the right way on the back?
Yeah, it's walking on me.
Deep side in?
Yeah. About to heat it up. Put some heat on her.
You squeezing the end down.
I'm working on it.
I mean, you should have. What's the juice?
Perfect directional.
Directional? No.
Hear it?
Mm-hmm. I should have put a grease strip in the damn thing.
Yes. That would have been time. Yeah.
The question is, will this thing slide in there?
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah, I'll give it to it. Ooh,
Stop. Because it ain't lined up yet.
Damn 250R.
I need a big hammer. Like a metal hammer.
Ball peen. You ever use that ball peen hammers you got?
Yeah, I dented that pipe bit more with it.
Go in. Take it this ain't your first rodeo. Look at this shit.
One more right in. Oh man. Now I need a socket.
You put the wrong side in.
No?
Deep side in?
Yeah.
Why is that one thicker now?
Because the fucking cap sits there.
No.
That's right.
Yep.
I need a socket. God damn, is it hot in here?
I tell you, it gets 100 degrees in here. You said it was comfortable a second ago, then you're like, oh, it's not hot in here. Oh. I'll open the door.
This'll work.
It gets so hot in here, man, I can't even take it. I don't know. Mine would burn smaller than your, well.
Heat that fucking thing up. Where's torch? Come on, man.
What are we heating up?
I gotta tap that down and hit that. Heat this fucking outer. Heat up on the collar right there.
Move your finger.
There's a bearing in there, so.
Well, yeah, you just put it in. I usually put this in a freezer overnight.
Yeah, let's slide it in.
And then you heat the collar up. just put the damn piece that goes in there on there and push it down with it?
Good.
That seems to make sense. Whew. Man, it is like a million degrees in
You
here.
going up to that Pennsylvania ride?
I don't know. I don't have nothing to ride.
We're putting it together right now. Or ride one of your 350Xs.
Well, I don't have a 350X rod.
The red one.
What are you talking about? They're all red.
Oh, fuck
No, that one I have an outspecs like a bitch. Burns oil.
It says not.
No, it burns oil bad. I gotta re-ring it.
Fuck. No fucking re-ring. Put that motor in your belt.
No, I ain't going to. That's an 85 motor. Other
It's
one's
the
86.
same thing.
No, it ain't. Other one's 86.
Mine's 86. All I did was change the oil pump. So they had some. Fucking yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
You good? It's almost there.
Nice.
Here.
Hold on. It's there.
Give it a old slide test.
Split it.
It's just gonna pop out the other side. Well, skipped on some of the fun shit. Had fun getting a retaining clip on this axle. Me and Jude's been working on this now for about 45 minutes. Cussing and swearing at the swing arm.
It's fucking stall. How was it custom?
Cussing and swearing.
Oh.
Cussing and swearing, call it a motherfucker, cocksucker, shit, piss, cunt, whore.
You can put that on YouTube.
Censor me. Anyhow, got that plus.
You get rid of gay ass handlebars that are super high and bent.
What handlebars?
Hey, YouTube.
These custom handlebars aren't bent.
Huh?
These aren't bent. Look, your head's bent. I'll sell them for $100 with the bar pad.
I want that bar pad.
$100. You can have the bar pad with the handlebars.
I got a fucking purple one. So I want the pink.
Next step, get this damn thing back together.
Yeah, who the hell puts a motor in place?
Yeah, I put a motor in a vise to hold my work up. I got to pull the gears back out again. The washers fell apart on the inside of this back gear set. It really fucks me off. Anytime you take a 250R motor apart, zip tie the damn thing, people. You guys are fucking idiots who ever do this. Man.
Next, he'll be like, Mom, get me a Pop-Tart. I'm being a badass on the internet.
Yeah. Badass internet people.
Yeah.
What do you gotta say, Jude?
You need to clean your fucking garage up. You should have brought this to my place.
Garage ain't that bad.
I fucking the jacks, ATV jacks.
It's only about, I don't know, what, 73 degrees in here. Wood burner's cranked. Doors hanging wide open. Hot as balls.
What are you gonna do when I break this headlight?
You're gonna buy it?
Okay, $50.
Anyhow, time to get back to work.
Some of them swing arms are adjustable.
What do you want?
I like this right here. You're missing your clamps.
Yeah, that's right. Just take sure.
We gotta lever it down.
Clamps right here. I think he's right here.
Yeah. They just slide over. Ever see one? They just slide over. Whoop, wrong way. There's pins that goes on.
The motor was busted off. Put the damn thing there.
Cylinder right. Make it be perfect. That's how this goes, and this one slides around somewhere. Oh. Fuck. Whew. Who the hell's riding?
I don't know. There's people ride all day.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Alright, well, skipping forward here a little bit. I got that motor all done. Got to put in. I don't feel like filming anymore. I was trying to get this thing done. Did first fire up. Just make sure it starts. It runs pretty good. So I just got to put the air box on it and you know, put a couple clamps on and get some coolant in there. I just did a quick test fire. I need to get that twister auto off her. I just kind of got it jerry rigged up for now. So sounded pretty good. Has a ton of compression. Lights work. Well, headlight, so that means tail light work too. But what a mess. I think it was a pain in the ass. That guy had that bottom end all stripped apart. It washers in the wrong place. Clips were off on the main shafts and the tranny. Everything was binding up. I got it all figured out. No leaks. Put all new gaskets on it. She runs pretty good. Ton of compression. Ton of compression. But I'll get some more video here. I'm going to do some GoPro. See how she runs. But until next time, keep triking.